Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be getting out of Ferraghini, going onto the streets with this thing. I can't wait for the drive today. Get out into Essex, get out to the lovely roads. Let's use this V12. Oh man, I don't really get to use this. Only because we're always working, and I like to also make it a special occasion to take this out. So every time I use it, I enjoy it. I've wrapped it in Grigio Telestio, which is basically like Nardo grey.
Nardo grey, yeah.
But yeah, it's wicked, it's white underneath. I love the colour of it. We made it look like a 50th anniversary of the black signature Ferraghini black bumper at the rear. So me and Lookman have come out to go and pick up a brand new car, brand new Lamborghini. Can't tell you the model yet. It's for our good friend Kasim. So first we're going into London to all meet up in Sloane Street, the usual spot where everyone meets up. And then we're going to take a wicked drive down to Lamborghini Chelmsford, where we're going to go pick up the new car.
It's going to be good. It's going to be a good trip.
Big drive, yeah. I think
I'm
it's
excited.
About 7, 8 Lambos, so yeah, it's going to be good. Sloane Street. Everyone all met up. We're going to go to Lamborghini Chelmsford now. Sick. How many SVs? 4 SVs, Performantes. Some of the cars that we've done as well. Yeah, bro. Episode 3. You like it? Yeah, wicked, man. Quality.
Yeah, hey, you see it? Yeah, come on.
I think it's worth me telling him we're leaving in a minute. He's going to give me a ticket regardless.
Hmm? Who? Where is that?
Oh,
no. Just speak to him.
What time do you call this? Bro, I've been here for half an hour. His Rana's been telling me. I was at Sloane Street having a breakfast.
Thank God we weren't on time. Thank God we weren't on time.
You can be honest. Let's get out of it. Come. Josie, let's go.
I love that pink scooter. Next to me's got the Aventador S Roadster. Good man, black on black. In front we've got another Aventador S Roadster. And then we've got Steve's Hurricane Performante that you saw in the workshop. We've done matte PPF on. Thank God you got PPF. Is your back hurting? What? Your back's hurting. You need those comfort seats. It's coming. Just getting out of London now, so then we're going to get onto the motorways and then put the cars through their paces, go down to Essex. Essex got some amazing roads, especially Chelmsford, and go and pick up the new Lambo. I might have to throw a Capristo on mine,
You think so?
I'm about throwing an exhaust on. After listening to all these boys, mine's loud obviously, but I might throw like, what do you reckon? Capristo? Army tricks?
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe. Just came down to Lamborghini Chelmsford. You've seen the drive, absolutely crazy. Crazy drivers, crazy cars.
Man, I didn't know which way I was going.
I'll be comfy on the way back as well. You alright, Matthew? You alright, mate? You made it, yeah?
Good bit of driving.
You know what? We haven't been on a drive in ages.
Mate, especially a proper drive, anyway.
We haven't been on a drive
Through
in
town, it's
absolutely
not
ages.
Ferraghini, baby. Shout out Matthew, you know what I mean?
I love the shout outs. When are you getting yours? soon.
Soon. We make the what? Pray, innit?
We'll do is pray and work hard.
Yeah, of course.
I absolutely love it in here. They're at the Sloane Centre. It's absolutely amazing. I think we should build this at Ferraghini HQ. I think we should. We've definitely got the showroom for it. Showing off steering wheels, calipers, colours, alloy wheels. Definitely that will work with our 24-inch Forgiatos we keep throwing on the race.
Very exciting, very cold at the same time.
How was the drive over here?
Fast. Obviously, I was the one behaving, of course.
Brilliant. Did you get like
We had some
everyone
good fun on the motorway. He's got the footage.
Okay.
It's got the red interior.
What custom bits are you thinking?
Oh, mate, he's a carbon kit, 100%. I mean, the gloss black actually works very well. Thank God they're painted, they look so much better. It's got so many Lambos, I can't even count anymore. Guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in episode 6.